Today we are going to learn chemical reactions and equations. In our day-to-day life and in our surrounding, so many chemical changes occurs in the form of cooking of food, rusting of iron, fermentation of milk, fermentation of grapes. These are the chemical changes. But what is chemical reaction? The substances in the chemical reactions undergo breaking and formation of new substance is called as the chemical reaction. Today we are going to learn exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. What is meant by exothermic reaction? The reaction in which the heat is given out or the heat is liberated is called as an exothermic reaction. For example, when magnesium ribbon burns in air, it gives white colored magnesium powder plus heat. This is not balanced reaction. Twice Mg plus O2 gives twice MgO. When magnesium ribbon burns in air, it burns brightly and heat is given out. This is combination reaction but also the exothermic reaction because heat is liberated here. The another example is NaOH plus water. Whenever sodium hydroxide in the solid form and water reacts with each other, NaOH in the aqueous form plus heat is given out. Endothermic reaction. The reaction in which the heat is absorbed is called as an endothermic reaction. For example, potassium nitrate when dissolves in water absorbs the heat and the aqueous solution of potassium nitrate. Here the temperature of the solution falls. In the endothermic reaction, the temperature of the solution falls because the heat is absorbed. Potassium nitrate when dissolves in water, heat is absorbed, so that solution's temperature falls. The another best and familiar example is when we put the sodium chloride in a water, heat is absorbed and the aqueous solution of sodium chloride is formed. This is also a best example of the endothermic reaction. Oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. First of all, let us learn oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction is a chemical reaction in which the oxygen is added or the hydrogen is evolved is called oxidation reaction. Friends, in reactants, during the chemical reaction, in reactants, whenever there is a combination of oxygen or there is a evolution of hydrogen, that we call as the oxidation. The best example is the combustion of carbon. During the combustion of carbon plus oxygen, when combustion occurs, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Next, reduction reaction. Next topic is redox reaction. The reaction which involves simultaneous oxidation and reduction is called as oxidation reduction or redox reaction. Then redox reaction in the form of equation oxidation plus reduction. Friends, the reaction in which both the types of oxidizing agent and reducing agent do their work, and in a single reaction the oxidation is also takes place, reduction is also takes place, so called as redox reaction. When black color copper oxide passes through the hydrogen gas, the copper is deposited, the reddish color copper is deposited. Here the hydrogen is added. Then when hydrogen sulfide gas passes through the sulfur dioxide, sulfur is given out. Then manganese dioxide, when reacts with hydrochloric acid, the manganese chloride is formed, and also hydrogen water is given out. These are the examples of redox reaction. The chemical reaction in which the reactant gains the hydrogen or loses the oxygen to form a product is called as the reduction reaction. In reduction reaction, either there is a gain of hydrogen or there is a loss of oxygen, vice versa of the oxidation reaction. The best example for this reduction reaction is when when hydrogen gas passes through the black color copper oxide solution, then reddish color copper is deposited. Copper oxide is black in color. When black color copper oxide passes through the hydrogen gas, the copper is deposited and that copper is reddish in color. This is the reduction reaction. So friends, types of chemical reactions are very important. So practice properly and write it and recite it. Thank you.